everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this get ready with me and this is the full look that I've done. It's very glam, it's very extra, well in my eyes it is anyway because I'm normally wearing hardly any makeup at the moment. So I've done this look, really like it. If you want to see how I created it and the products I use, then please do keep on watching. And please, it would mean the world if you would like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload next time, because I would love to see you. Anyway, let's just get straight on into the video. I'm so excited. I'm going to start with this base colour. This is like my most used. It's this one here. I don't have a clue about the shade name because it's not on the back, which is silly. I'm going to take this brush, which is the Morphe B80. Looks like so. It's just like a cute little brush. And like I said, I've already primed my eyelids and I used... Sorry, I'm up in the air. I used the Infallible More Than concealer, which I just purchased and I really like it. It reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape, which I've not bought in ages because it's like 35 quid. If I can get something for a tenner, I'm actually going to go for that. So I'm just going to take this shade and I'm just going to go into the crease. So tonight I'm off out and I'm going to basically like a cocktail bar. Bars are not normally my thing. I like clubs. You know, I like to get down and go to a club. But for 5 months now, the clubs have been shut, obviously, for obvious reasons, COVID-19. But yeah, it's fine. They should be back open soon, I'm guessing. I mean, the pubs are open. The thing about clubs is they get so packed and it's so like highly compacted that it's going to be difficult to get people in there, you know. And then I'm going to take the shade Wild Child, which is a beautiful like coffee colour, I think, with a tiny bit of purple. I'm going to take that. It's so pigmented, so you have to be careful not to take too much. You get a beautiful mirror as well with it. Just going to take that into the crease. Hope I'm close enough. Yeah, it's pretty close. And again, this is quite an easy look. I'm not doing anything like overly complicated because when I go out I like to do lovely smoky eyes and a bit of liner. Just going to take a flat brush and do like a cut crease, but not really too defined, just to brighten the inner portion of my eye. So we're going to do a really quick eyeliner that is literally so easy to do. I'm just taking my wet brush, dipping into the shadow and getting quite a lot of shadow but tapping off the excess. And just mimicking your eyeliner the way you would do it. So, really close. Look how easy and simple that was. It took me less than 10 minutes to do 2 eyes, more or less. Amazing. And I'm just going to, again, you do have to spritz your brush a couple of times when it goes dry, because technically we're making our own liner, and liner is not actually dry, is it? So we're just popping that on here. Skin prep is so important, even for a night out if you want your skin to last. Obviously depends on your skin type. My skin type is combination oily dry, so I'm going to take a little bit of this Super Bounce serum. Excuse the noise. I'm just going to put that on here because what can happen is when my skin's really dry, the makeup can look really cakey. So hydration is key, and it won't affect how your makeup lasts, to be honest, because all you're doing is you're creating a nice smooth canvas. Well, as smooth as we can get at this stage because my skin likes to be troublesome. Foundations, we've got the Ordinary, and I'm going to take that and mix it with the Stay Naked. We're going to have 2 of them. These are both neutral shades, 20 NN and 1 NN. Or 1.1 NN. 1.1 N. Forget it, guys. Honestly, I'm struggling today. So I'm going to take a bit of that. I always take too much foundation, but I like it. I like to be like covered, like no place is undone. Shake this one. I'm just going to do like 1 and a bit pumps of that. Make a nice little concoction. We love it. Okay, so I've done my concealer, I've set everything, and I've just used the Charlotte Tilbury powder. I thought I don't really need to show that because not much going on, you know, we're just going with it. And I've just used, yeah, this powder to set. Bronzer, you know, it's going to be the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. Absolutely obsessed with this, shade medium. And oh, the pan's so big, and they do refills of this, which is amazing. I'm just going to start to bronze. We're going to go for a little bit of a deeper bronze today because we're going out, you know. We're going out. Look, my ears are sticking out like that. And then same this one. Highlighter, we have got the NARS Motu Tane Macatee highlighter. I have no idea how to pronounce these at all, but it looks like that. It's really nice. It's like a beautiful gold shimmer colour. And wait for it. Oh my god, blinding. Absolutely blinding. This is why I have to do my highlight first because I like to go over the lip as well. Sweating, don't mind me, honey. I'm just going to put that underneath the eyes, being very gentle. I don't want to disrupt any of the concealer, which it shouldn't do, obviously we set it. I used to love doing that to my under eyes. Now I'm not keen. Yeah. So that's my eyes so far. We're going to go in with the lasting line. I'm actually really liking it without the shimmer this time. It's just like pure matte. I'm going to take the lasting line in the shade Black. Again, Bare Minerals. Absolutely love this. I'm just going to put that onto the waterline. Don't pull your eye down, whatever you do, please. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Just don't pull it down. Just literally stretch open like that with this mouth thing and go in. The reason, like, I know, guys, but pulling your skin down like that, the very delicate eye area is going to age you before your time. Like, just don't do it. Honestly, please don't do it. I'd rather look like this while I'm doing it than have wrinkles. This is the Lasting Finish lip liner in the shade Cappuccino. I've been using this a lot lately because I got it on my ASOS order. It's in my haul that I did, so I'm going to use that. Another beautiful product is the Shimmer Bomb from Revolution. I've really been liking this. It's in the shade Starlight. It was only £5, and I'm just going to take this onto my lips. Oh my god, that is stunning. Obviously these have copied the Fenty Gloss Bomb, is it? What's this called? Shimmer Bomb. Cool. Blusher, I'm going to use my Revolution Flamingo palette. You're probably going to see a lot of these products reoccurring because I'm really liking them at the minute, but I will try and use different new products obviously. This is very pigmented, so I'm just going to take a little bit. I don't want to look too blushy because we've already got so much on. I mean, does it even matter at this point when we've got this much makeup on? Does it even matter? Does it? No? Does it? That is stunning. I can't even lie to you. Okay, my angels, we have done. This is the complete look. My hair is probably going to stay like this, I can't lie. I don't really spend much time on my hair. Like, I don't spend hours straightening, curling, sleeking it out with serums. I just don't. Like, my hair is naturally quite long and thick, so I don't feel like I don't really have to do anything. Makeup, on the other hand, we've just beat our face for 40 minutes because we can. If you did like this video, which I'm hoping you did, I really hope that you will like this video and you will also subscribe because I want to see you again here on my channel. Please comment below if you want to see any videos or tell me what you liked about this video. That would mean so much to me. Other than that, I hope you have a beautiful evening and I will see you next time. Bye!